If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the actions of a form field in Acrobat, open the form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. Then double-click the desired form field to open its Properties dialog box. To view the form field's actions, click the Actions tab within this dialog box. These settings appear for all types of form fields in Acrobat. You can add an action to any form object, although they are most often associated with button clicks in a form. To set the actions for a form field in Acrobat, click the Actions tab in its Properties dialog box to set the actions that occur when a user interacts with the selected form field. To choose which interactive event makes an associated action happen, select a triggering event from the Select Trigger dropdown in the Add an Action section. To choose which action occurs when the selected event is triggered for the selected form field, select a choice from the Select Action drop-down menu. Then click the Add button. Depending on the action selected, an additional dialog box may open to prompt you to specify any additional settings for the selected type of action. After entering any required information, click the OK button. The action then appears in the Actions section of the Actions tab. To add additional actions if needed, repeat this process. To reorder the list of actions if programming multiple actions, select an action in the Actions list, and then click the Up and Down buttons below the list. To edit a selected action, click the Edit button to reopen the dialog box associated with the selected action. Alternatively, to delete a selected action, click the Delete button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.